Changes in the properties of the materials when exposed to different temperatures. In this new lesson, you are expected to describe changes in the properties of materials when exposed to certain conditions such as temperature. So what is temperature? It is the measurement of the amount of heat energy present in the surroundings. Melting is the process of changing something from solid into liquid. Here are the examples: melted ice cubes and melted ice cream. Freezing is the process of changing something from liquid into solid. Here's the example: ice water that turns into ice. Evaporation is the process of changing something from liquid into gases. Here's the example: the water that boils turns into gas or vapor that comes out of the kettle if left at high temperature for too long. Sublimation is the process of changing something from solid into gases. Here's the example: dry ice. Sublimation. Boiling is defined as a phase transition from liquid into gas, usually occurring when a liquid is heated to its boiling point. Here's the example: boiling water. Boiling. Examine the pictures. Identify the process that caused the materials to change. Number 1, crayons. Number 2, chocolate bar. Number 3, boiling water. Number 4, water in ice cube maker. Examine the pictures. Here are the answers. Number 1, melting. Number 2, melting. Number 3, boiling. And number 4, freezing. What changes in the state of matter or materials in the pictures? Number 1, solid to liquid. Number 2, solid to liquid. Number 3, liquid to gas. And number 4, liquid to solid. What material is this? Correct. This is an ice cube. What is the property of the material before heating? Correct. Solid. What is the property of the material after heating? Correct. Liquid. What is the property of the material after cooling? Correct. Solid. Here are the guide questions. Number 1, what happened to the ice cube when heated? It changed its forms into solid to liquid. It melts because the materials is heated or absorbed heat. Number 2, how would you describe the changes that happened to the ice cube when heated? When heated, it changed its size, shape, and texture. Number 3. How would you describe the changes that happen to the ice cube when cooled? It changed back to its form from solid to liquid when cooled. It also changed its size, shape, and texture. Number 4. Describe the changes in the properties of the materials when they are heated and cooled. When the materials are heated and cooled, they change their size, shape, and texture. They also change their forms. When heated, solid materials are changed to liquid. When cooled, the liquid materials are changed to solid. Always remember this. When materials are heated, they change their size, shape, and texture. They also change their forms. When heated, the solid materials are changed to liquid. When cooled, the liquid materials are changed into solid. The materials like crayon, chocolate, and butter change its form from solid to liquid when heated. It also changed its size, shape, and texture. Materials like crayon, chocolate, and butter change back to its form from liquid to solid when cooled. It also changed its size, shape, and texture.